Hi guys! A little over 3 months ago I planted potatoes using the Ruth Stout method. To plant potatoes this way, all you do is lay your potatoes on the ground in your garden and cover them up with straw. Then as the potato plants grow, you just keep mounding up the straw. The reason that I'm going to harvest them now instead of waiting for the foliage to die back completely is because my watermelons are quickly invading this area. And sorry potatoes, watermelons get top priority in my garden. Younger potatoes taste better anyway. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I got the potatoes all harvested. Here's the plants and here's the potatoes. So I don't think this harvest is too bad at all. The potatoes are small. I did harvest them early. This was a really fun learning experience and I'm really glad I tried it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do it again in July. It might sound crazy, I don't know, but I'm going to try it and see if I can get a fall potato harvest. I bought a bag of organic potatoes from the store and they're sprouting in my house, and in a couple weeks I'll get them planted, see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.